Hello geeks, Tim Tibbetts with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to do a nice little tweak for your system. It is disabling a lot of the Windows 10 task scheduler privacy and automatic maintenance related tasks. It is a batch file. You can create it, edit it, or download the one we have for you. But again, this is for advanced users. You kind of want to have some understanding of what you're doing here. However, it should be safe for most. You can kind of scan through this, get a general idea. As you can see, line by line, what each thing does disable. Maps, safety monitor, family stuff, etc. It's pretty nice for security and pretty nice little tweak for your system. So basically what we want to do here is copy and paste all of these lines after you've created a restore point if you want to do it manually. So you'll right click on that, copy everything here, and open up Notepad and use Control V or right click and paste. And then we're going to want to save it as a batch file. We can do File, Save As, change this where it says Text Documents to All Files. I'll name it Tweak. I already did it once. We'll name it tweak.bat. There you go. Now you have the batch file ready. We're going to come back to this in a minute, and you will head over to wherever you saved your batch file, find it, right click, and run as administrator. It's going to go by really, really fast. You'll barely be able to read anything. And done. Reboot, and you should have a little bit more privacy, a little bit more speed. So I'm going to link to this page here so you can get all of this. It's too long to put it into the video comments. And it's a step-by-step instructions, and as you can see right here, there is the download. So you can actually download it right here from Major Geeks and just run it yourself. Those of you who want to do it manually can probably guess, but for those of you who maybe created a batch file and aren't happy with something, you can come back in here, and if you see something you don't like, you just change disable to enable, and then run it again. You turn that back on. So if you bump into any problems or something not working as you wanted, you can do that. Another thing you can do is, let's take, say, /disable. I picked the / just in case the word disable is in here somewhere. I don't think it is, but to play it safe. And what we can do is we can go to edit, replace, paste in that / disable or type it in, and change it to / enable. And click replace all. And now you can save it and run it again, and that will re-enable everything, or again, you can do it one by one. Hopefully you set up a restore point. It might be a little easier. Frankly, this is actually faster, and that should get you going. But pretty neat little tweak. Everybody that's got it so far seems to like it. Been good feedback on it. I'd like to give credit. I believe WinArrow, I might have seen it on his website, so this might be something that's built into his WinArrow tweaker. So if that's where I got it, I'm pretty sure I did. Credit where credit's due. And there you go. So check the link down below and feel free to download it or copy and paste and do it yourself. Final 10 seconds of the video right here in the corner. Should be a little icon popping up. Click that to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.